This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages, and I am staying at Sandals, Royal Curacao, in room 2418. We're gonna do a room tour. I am here for a conference, so I did not get to pick my room, and I'm honestly not sure what room type I'm in, but I will make sure that the title is correct. I do know it is a club level room. Want to note, most of the plugs are going to be the European plugs. There are only 2 so far that I have found that are US plugs. So if you're coming from the US, you're going to want to bring adapters. Also make sure that all of your electronics are dual voltage. Shampoo, conditioner, body cleanser, lotion, soap, some cotton balls. We're coming back out. We're gonna start up here, our minibar. It is all included. Again, more of the European outlets. Beer, soda, water, wine. Sorry, I'm in my bathing suit and I don't want to have myself seen in the mirror. Robes, but no slippers. Outlets down there. The in-room dining menu. Another European plug. Now I did find one US plug and the other 2 are the European. So far only 2 in the room. And they do have, again, more under on the side. So under the end tables on both sides of the bed. Doors are a little noisy. Sorry, somebody walked in at the same time, so I was letting them know and not looking at the camera. This is my view. I would assume that we have probably a partial ocean view. But even though it's not a full view, the flowers and the palm trees and everything are absolutely gorgeous. It is a beautiful view. That is it. Sandals, Royal Curacao.